fashion enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving deep into the world of color analysis. Have you ever wondered why some colors make you look radiant whereas some make you look washed out? Well, it's not about try and error, it's all about color analysis. So let's start by talking about the foundation of color analysis, which is undertone and skin tone. Skin tone refers to the color of your skin, whereas undertone is the hue underneath your skin. Undertones can be warm, cool and neutral, and they actually help you in determining that which color will suit you the best. Warm undertones tend to look better in earthy tones, whereas cool undertones tend to look better in jewel tones, and neutral can rock both of them. So firstly, let's talk about how to find out your skin tone. So what you have to do is you have to stand with the white paper under natural light. And if your skin appears to be pinky or rosy under the natural light, then you definitely have a cool skin tone. Whereas if your skin appears yellowish or goldenish, then you have a warm skin tone. And neutral skin tones may not appear distinctly pink or yellow to the paper. You can also determine your undertone using the Veen test. So what you have to do is hold your wrist under the sunlight, and if your veins appear to be blue or purple, then you have a cool undertone. If your veins appear to be green, then you have a warm undertone. And if you can't differentiate whether it's blue, green or purple, then you have a neutral undertone. The other way to determine your undertones is through the jewelry test. If you look great in gold jewelry, then you have a warm undertone. If silver suits you the best, then it's a cool undertone. And if you rock in both the jewelries, then you have a neutral undertone. So now, let's talk about the color wheel. Color wheel is divided into two parts, which is cool and warm tones. So cool and warm tones complement each other, which can help us in identifying which color will contrast each other. Cool colors are blue and green that give a calming effect, whereas warm colors are red and yellow that gives vibrancy. The colors which are opposite to each other in the color wheel, such as blue and orange, red and green, will create a striking contrast. So now let's get to the bigger part of this video, which is by analyzing your skin tone, undertone and understanding the color wheel, choosing the perfect color for your wardrobe so that you can shine and style yourself. Choosing the color of your wardrobe if you have a warm undertone. Earthy tones. Go for colors like olive green, camel, terracotta and mustard yellow. Warm neutrals, opt for beige, tan and cream shades. Rich jewel tones. Deep shades of red, orange and brown can complement warm undertones beautifully. Avoid colors which are bright, icy or cool or different shades of blue, because they may clash with your warm undertones. So now let's talk about colors for cool undertones. You may go for color like cool pastels like lavender, mint green and baby blue. They will suit you best. True shades of blue and green like emerald, navy and cobalt, they work great for you. Cool neutrals. Cool neutrals like charcoal grey, icy white and slay can definitely complement your cool undertones. With cool undertone, avoid warm colors like red, yellow and brown because they will make you look washed out. Choosing the right color for neutral undertone. Well, if you have a neutral undertone, then most of the colors will definitely work for you. So go try and error, experiment. Soft pastels like blush pink or peachy colors will definitely complement neutral undertones. Go for classic neutral colors like white, black, grey and navy. They will look flattering on you. Fortunately for people with neutral undertones have the flexibility to wear a wide range of colors. So I would advise to go and experiment out and choose the best for you. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression. So don't be afraid to experiment with all the styles and the colors. So that's all for today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Subscribe to Sri Bazaar and stay stylish until next time.